Oga Nyesom Wike wey be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and he na former governor of Rivers State, he don gain the upper hand for the People's Democratic Party leadership crisis. Like this now, my good people, Oga Nyesom Wike, he don outclass, he don outmaneuver, he don outplay the Rivers State governor wey be Oga Siminalayi Fubara plus other PDP governors. Based on information wey we gather, my good people, we dey find out say the National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, they don last support. They don last throw their weight behind the Rivers State Congresses, aligning with the position of Oga Nyesom Wike. And na the National Working Committee wey dey led by the acting national chairman, im dey go by the name Umar Damagum, na im make this decision. And they make this decision during one meeting wey the party get for inside their national headquarters, and their headquarters dey for inside Wadata Plaza for inside Abuja. This meeting e dey happen on Thursday wey be the 12th day of September for inside this year 2024. And this particular meeting, my good people, they don delay am since for 3 weeks based on the rising tension wey dey for inside the People's Democratic Party. And this tension na particularly between Oga Nyesom Wike wey be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and the PDP Governors Forum, and dem dey quarter sake of the status of Rivers State Party Congresses. Now, you see Wike loyalists, those men wey dey loyal to Wike wey dey for inside the People's Democratic Party National Working Committee, they don try well for Oga Nyesom Wike. They no only secure the approval of Rivers State Congresses, they also postpone the National Executive Committee meeting wey suppose to happen for inside the 26th day of September for inside this year 2024. Now they come shift am to the 24th day of October for inside this year 2024. Now one senior National Working Committee member wey no want make we talk im name, na im come dey review the information dey give to people. Na im come dey yarn say they don approve the Rivers State and other state congresses, they don grant am already. And the National Executive Committee meeting, they don reschedule am for October 24th. This source now, this senior NWC member, he come still dey yarn say they don achieve their aim. Say Wike now, he don defeat the PDP governors as the National Working Committee don approve the Rivers State and other state congresses. Then this source come still dey confess, dey yarn am say since most of the members of the National Working Committee na Wike loyalists, that is, they dey support Wike, the remaining few wey no dey support Nyesom Wike, e no get wetin they wan talk because majority don already carry the vote. So instead of those men now to come dey create quarter, they kukuma allow Wike loyalists wey dey for inside the National Working Committee to have their way. Now based on the current development at this particular junction, my good people, as it stands now, only the NEC wey be National Executive Committee, na only them get the power to overrule the decision of the National Working Congress. Na only the National Executive Committee na go fit overturn this matter, so wey go come suit the PDP governors their demand. The source still dey let us know say the Rivers State Congresses and those of other states have been approved by the National Working Committee. And the few states wey dem identify some kind issues, they step them down. For example, for inside Kogi State, they no approve the chairman and the deputy, and this na sake of anomalies. Only the National Executive Committee na go fit overturn the decision of the National Working Congress for inside Rivers State and other states. But however, the National Executive Committee meeting wey they don already arrange am before say go happen for inside the 26th day of this month, to be September, but now they don postpone am to the 24th day of October. And this new date, so e still dey for their mind say this meeting e no go still happen for the October 24th wey dem still plaster say e go happen based on one or two. As it stands now, Wike don defeat the Bauchi State Governor wey be Bala Mohammed. All this information, my good people, dey come from one source like that, and this source e no want make we reveal im name, but him na senior member of the National Working Committee. Now based on this new development, my good people, based on the decision of the National Working Committee, na to tell you say Oga Nyesom Wike, he don prove himself again as trouble to Governor Siminalayi Fubara and the PDP Governors Forum. Yes, so you know say The PDP Governors Forum, wey dey led by Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed, dey bin publicly support the current Rivers State Governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, and na dem by theirself come call for a review of the Rivers State Congresses and affirmation of Governor Siminalayi Fubara as the leader of the PDP for inside Rivers State. Now the support for Fubara e come make Oga Wike come dey para, na make e come go threa ten to cause chaos, to bring fire come the state of the governors if they no comot body, if they no comot hand for the matter wey concern Rivers State. Normally that kind threat e no make sense. As the PDP governors dem hear that one, the thing they no fit digest am proper. E no go down well for their throat at all. They come even raise issue. They say which kind threat be that one? Say the comment wey Wike make on top the matter, e fit cause violence. Normal, I go talk say e go put fire for another person state. Those kind levels normally e no good. But Wike talk am based on say im dey para. And dem now, they dey para for Wike sake of say im dey give Governor Siminalayi heat wey e no suppose give the governor. The governor now no fit come focus on governing the Rivers State. Instead, im go dey govern with one hand, dey battle Wike and the people wey dey loyal to Wike wey dey for inside Rivers State. Those kind levels normal, e no make sense. Now the National Executive Committee meeting wey dem don originally set for inside the month of August to address the burning issues, including Oga Damagum replacement, dem come set am say e go happen for the 26th day of September. Now sake of say some members dem travel go Saudi Arabia for pilgrimage, dem don reschedule the meeting. Dem don shift am to Fafa October 24th, and dem themselves dem know very well say on that day October 24th, the meeting e fit still no hold. That is to say they go still shift am again, and the longer e take to do the national executive meeting, na the more pain, na the more trouble wey the national working committee and the men wey dey loyal to Oga Wike and Wike himself go dey give Governor Siminalayi trouble, go dey give the man heat for inside Rivers State. And that one na more palava because PDP Governors Forum they are supporting Wike. Wike now go dey battle Governor Fubara and the PDP governors. This quarter go dey go on till the National Executive Committee meeting go come happen. If you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say Wike im don play this one well, im don win, im don true outsmart the PDP governors and Oga Siminalayi Fubara. This na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Na we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this informate and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go get am sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another interesting informate for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.